Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from Trie data structure and which is called longest word. Okay, so you would be given one array. Let's say this is your array. Let me rewrite here. Okay, so your array is something like this, and it has the multiple strings. Okay, so ni, then nin, ning, ninja, and then the last one is ninga. Okay, so you have given this a string array and you need to find out this string for which all the prefixes are coming into the trie data structure. Okay, and into the array or the longest prefix. So for example, if you check this ni, okay, so you have n here. Okay, but if you check for nin, you have n and ni also. Okay, so similarly you need to find the string which is the longest one. So if you check for this ninja, okay, so let's check. N is there? Yes, ninja. So check for n. Yes, n is there. Now check for n and I. Yes, that is also there. This prefix is also there. Then nin, yes, this one is also there. Then ninj, yes, this one is also there. Then ninja, this one is the string itself. Okay, now for this ninga, so you have n, ni and nin, but you don't have ning. Okay, so your answer will be this ninja. So how you will solve it? Very easy. You put all the string into the trie, okay, in first phase, and then in second phase just go to trie, and for each string check whether what is the maximum length prefix exists. Okay, so how you will do this? Let's see through code. But before checking this with code, just let's see the class structure for node. Okay, so if you check here the node structure, first you will have a 26 size of array. Okay, let's say link is the name of that array. So first you have the link array of size 26. Then you will store characters there, and then you have the boolean flag, okay, which is initially false, and then few methods like contain key. Okay, contains key, what it will do, it will check, you will pass one character and it will check whether that character exists in a character array or not, link array. Okay, so the character you will pass, it will just subtract minus small a from it so that it can get the index, okay, equivalent index, and then will return if it is not null. Okay, will return true if it is not null, otherwise false. And then some get function. So get, it will just get you the link and then that index value. Similarly put on that particular index in link array, it will put that node. Okay, it will take two parameters, ch and node. Okay, put means what, you need to put a, and then you will give the node also in which node you need to put it. Okay, and it's a reference, it will return. Then set and, so it will just set the flag value to true. And why we are using this, see, if any words completed, so we will set and to true, so that you will come to know when you will again traverse that trie node, you will come to know, okay, till here one word was there. Okay, and then is and, it will just return the current value of flag whether it is true or false. Now this is your insert function, this is your check if prefix exist function. Okay, and before that let's see the solution. Okay, so as I told you, first what will you do, you will create one trie. Okay, and after creating one trie, you just iterate each words from that string array. Okay, you iterate each words from a string array one by one, that word you insert into the trie. So can we do that? Okay, so here you have a string, let me rewrite it here, n, ni, nin, ninj, ninja, ninga. So how your trie will look like? See, first you will create one trie. Initially this one will be false. Okay, now first insert n, so n will come here. No, this is true, this one will be true because your one word completed, this one, right? Now again I, okay, this one will be true because one word completed, and then ni, then n, again true, one word completed, j, again true, one word completed. Okay, so this insertion I have already explained in last two videos, so you can go and check. I'm not explaining here once again, otherwise it will increase the duration of this video. So ninj and then a again. Okay, and then this one will be true, and so this till here, this one done. Okay, now this ninga, so nin, so g after ng will come, right? So here g, and this one will be false, and then a, and this one will be true. Okay, so this one is done. So what you did, you just traverse the array, string array, and then you insert all the elements. Now what is happening in the insert, I have already explained, but see, it will take your word, it will convert that word to character array. One character you will take, okay, each time, and you will check if it is not there in the node, then you just put that character in the node, okay, and get node equal to node ka get ch, like in tree we were doing node equal to root equal to root ka left, right? So similarly node equal to node dot get ch, because node dot get ch will hold the reference of that particular character. So for example, if here I wanted to insert n, okay, so I'll create one node variable, I'll put n there, okay, I'll set its end, whether it's true or false, and then whatever reference will be of this node, I will put that into the 26 size character array in this trie, okay, for that particular index. So for example, for a it is 0, b it is 1, and similarly. So this was the insert. Now what after insert? You take one answer variable which is initially blank, and you will store the maximum length string which has the prefix, okay. Now you again iterate this string array, okay, for each word, and you check whether this word exists in the trie or not. So for example, again n will come, okay, so you will go here and you will check for the nth character array. You found the reference, so you will come here and you will check it's is and is true or not. Yes, it is true. So it means that you have this word exist in the trie, right? So this step is very important. You need to check is and is true or not, okay. So now if this is there and answer's length is right now 0, and the length of this string is 1, so you will assign answer to n, okay. Now next string came ni, so it will check ni, and this one is also t, and it is greater than answer, right? It is true and answer has 1, so I will put this, okay. And one more condition here. So here you are checking word dot length is greater than answer ka length, so you are assigning that word to answer. But one more condition you are checking here, or and word length equal to answer length, and word dot compared to answer is less than 0. So just lexicographically you are putting you are getting that word, okay. So just one extra check, nothing else. Now NIN will come, so NIN definitely greater than NI, okay, so NIN will come, then J will also come, then A will also come. Now NINGA also come, okay, NINGA. So for this NINGA, you will found till here, but you don't find this one, right? So its length will be lesser than the current one, and at the end you will return this answer. So that's it. That is what we are doing here, okay. Longest word, main function, longest word. I have written this twice, so let me delete it, okay. So this one was your code. So node structure, okay, and then your trie class where you have insert and check if prefix exists function, and after that you have a solution class which has the longest word function, and then main method. So that's it. Thank you.